please introduce
Okay, sir.
yourself.
Thank you for giving me my introduction opportunity. My name is Jaydeep Ashok Dethe. I am working in Ujjivan Small Finance Bank Limited as a cluster credit manager. I joined Ujjivan in 2015 as credit officer, and from last 6 years, I am working in Ujjivan. Prior to Ujjivan, I worked with AU Housing Finance Limited as an operation officer. I worked with AU for about 2 years. I am basically from Valchanagar. I did my schooling and higher schooling from Valchanagar itself. Then I do my graduation BSc in physics from Baramati, TC College Baramati. Then I did MBA in marketing from VIIT Baramati. About my family, I have a daughter, and me, my spouse, and our daughter, we live in Dombili East, Loda Haven, Dombili East. About my father, he is retired person from limited company, and my brother is working in Bank of Maharashtra at Malkapur branch, Kolhapur. My mother
Good.
is also a housewife.
Okay, Jaideep, tell me one thing. Now you want to switch over your organization from Ujjivan to SBI. Why you want
Yes, sir.
to continue with the career with SBI? What is the reason behind it?
Ujjivan is great place to work for. Uh, Ujjivan is always a better company where I have spent my 6 years from my career. I learned a lot. I have explored my capabilities. Obviously, but this is sometime that after 6 years, I decided to move on and explore more. SBI is one of the largest company, largest bank in India, and I always had a dream to work with one of the biggest and the only Fortune 500 company like SBI. And I would like to join uh, the company, the bank
Okay,
like SBI.
tell me, because you came for the interview in SBI. So what you know exactly about SBI? There is a more work pressure on the employee, right? Even though you want to join SBI, so why
SBI,
SBI?
SBI is the company wherein there is a good bonding, and as far as SBI is concerned, uh, if you joined SBI, that there is more job security than any other bank. Ours bank, like a private bank, there is job security, the sabbatical leave given to the woman, the kind of respect given to every employee is outstanding in SBI. SBI also gives additional perks to their employees. They do have the housing facility, like quarters in some areas. They have their guest houses. One of my relative was been from SBI, and he has very good experience. I also experienced that when I used to go to him when go to his place when I was small, and I'm very eager to work with the
Okay,
organization
Jaideep,
wherein
as you
every day.
worked as cluster manager in credit department, a customer came to your desk and he is asking about gold loan. He is basically from rural area. He don't have. He is asking about agri gold loan. What kind of document you will be asking, and what are the other formalities which you are supposed to do before lending him agri gold loan?
I will ask him about his documents, I will ask him about basic KYCs that are required for getting gold loan. I will ask him about the other requirements like do they have that their receipts and purchase documents and gold with them, uh, and will also inquire with him that is there any default or is there any clean track record with him prior to this. I will take more information about customer, and after getting some information like prior history of customer and the details about gold they are having, and the documents uh, of purchase receipt and all purchase receipts and actual net weight of that gold and all. I will ask customer to get the KYC and the documents, and after getting the documents, gradually I will process further by
Okay.
checking the all due diligence of
Okay,
civil,
Jaideep, tell
high
me
mark,
one
and
thing.
liquid background.
You are working in a branch.
Yes, sir.
One customer came to your desk and he is asking about 5,000 rupees, and there is no internet connectivity in your branch. How you are supposed to tackle your customer? He is urgently required 5,000 rupees. He came with the passbook along with withdrawal slip. He required 5,000 rupees in cash for some medical treatment. How you will tackle this customer?
I will apologize customer first of all that the system and the internet is not working. So I will apologize customer to have just 1 2 3 minutes waiting, and I will try to resolve the issue
He
with
waited long. He
speaking.
waited long in the queue. He waited for another 1 hour, and even though your branch is out of connectivity, how you will help him?
He waited for 1 hour, and my branch is out of connectivity. Uh, then I will try and call the another branch, which might be a regional office or head office, and I will get the information that the customer is actually having balance in his account or not. If he is having much balance of 5,000 and all, then I will make a withdrawal, and make the systems means I will not. If the customer is in branch, then it is our operation barrier. I can wipe out that operation barrier by taking a cash receipt and doing the transactions from the remote branch, a regional office or a zonal office, and that way I can serve my customer. Not
Okay,
further to I was not giving the answer. I was not completed the answer before. At 2 3 minutes or 5 minutes, I will ask the customer to wait. It is obviously an emergency, medical emergency, and I cannot wait for that 1 hour. So I will make contacts with my zonal office, regional office. I will make the details given to my boss, and then I will check that with our bank, is the customer having minimum or whatever the balance 5,000, 10,000, whatever amount is required in his account or not. If the account is there, then I can withdraw the amount by taking cash receipt, and further to guidance with my Zedo, I can have the transactions there or regional office. But I will give some solution to my customer.
okay. I will give you the feedback regarding this answer later on. But be very careful. You are not supposed to do like this. And be very careful. Okay. Tell me, Jaideep, one thing. You are working in this credit department. One
Yes, sir.
customer came to you. You inquire in the CIBIL record or CRIP record. You find that the customer has settled his credit card, or the CIBIL statement shows that the loan account or credit card whatsoever was write off. So will you be prefer to giving him the another loan if the CIBIL shows his previous account was write off?
If the civil or Equifax or Highmark is write off in the previous account, I will ask customer what exactly happened. Sometimes there is technical issue, sometimes it is bank's issue, sometimes it is customer's issue. If customer is having a rational or customer is having equitable answer to, or he is having rights, means whatever right reasons, righteous reasons, and if there is technical bounce from another bank, even if he is having a bank balance in another bank, then also the EMI is not hitting from his bank, whatever, if the reason is rational and the CIBIL score is within the limits, and if the customer is having all the evidence with him, like he is having balance in his bank account, and I have that statement, I have cross-checked that statement, then I will proceed further if the reason is there. If reasons are not there and customer is really having bad issue and written off, then I will not process for that loan. I will simply say that process is not allowing me, as this loan been written off and we cannot do anything for this.
Okay. Okay, Jaideep, tell me one thing. Like whenever you are selling your car loan, home loans proposal to your customer, do you believe in cross selling, or what kind of cross sell or what kind of different products you can pitch to your customer?
I think when I am selling a car or I am selling a house loan, home loan, most important cross sell is that time is insurance. If I'm selling a house for a customer, obviously he is having a emotional attachment with his house. If I pitch insurance to that customer, and if I really realize him that how important you are being the owner of that property, and how important your family is with respect to you and your repayment and all, then he 99% out of 100 customers are getting that insurance if I pitch in a right manner to that customer. And
Okay.
second option always is for doing a cross sell to a customer is to take FD lean with our account, home loan account or car loan account. Why I will convince my customer to take the FD is, he is having safer side. If he is having more amount in his account, like 2-3 lakhs, and he is having the EMI of 13, 15 or 20,000, I would request customer to have an FD of 1 lakh, and the 1 lakh FD for 2 years would be lien mark with our loan account, home loan account or car loan account. What benefit customer will get is, if he is in business and in future any pandemic situation like COVID or all, any pandemic situation may arise, then he might be having a good balance in his account, and which is lien mark with our FD and our loan account repayment. So that way he might not be having a tension for paying the EMI for 6 months.
Okay.
So
Fine.
that is a good thing. And I will convince him that if you are having 3 lakhs account, bank balance account right now, it is beneficial to you also, and to bank also. I am getting some interest, 1 lakh FD, which is a demand deposit. That is always better.
Okay,
to
fine. Okay, fine.